Hello mga kasens! Good evening siguro or good morning. So this is kind of a late upload. I'm just going to share with you what was our Father's Day weekend and dinner was all about. So papakita namin sa iyo kung ano yung sinasabi namin na fondue bourguignon. Ito yung aming meal. As you can see, it's a boiling grapeseed oil. And then you have meats, para siyang nakatusok dyan sa, para siyang screwer. And then you just dip it in the boiling oil. And then you eat it. And you also was able to see the reel that I made with my brother-in-law, who's also a very good chef. So he was trying to explain in French how was that we needed some vegetarian meat. And as a family would eat together, everyone else would have to help cooking or prep. So lahat kami may ginagawa. So this time gumagawa si Didrik ng salad, potato salad. And my husband was cutting all the meats na pang prito. And then, ayan na, naka-ready na yung aming mga meats, no? So, raw meat yan. So, dapat hiwa-hiwalay. And then, of course, we started to have our dinner. At meron pang pahalik ang aking husband. So, of course, we don't start our dinner or our get-together without praying, thanking the Lord for the fathers in our family and all the fathers in the world. And ayan na, nag-start na tayong kumain, kanya-kanyang kuha na ng salad. So, ang kapartner lang ng ating fondue bourguignon ay mostly green salad and potato salad. So, ayan, nagpiprito na ng isa. So, at that point, yung mga dads, which is Didrik and my husband, they had two screwers. So, ayan, abutan, kung anong gusto mong kainin. So, fondue bourguignon is a nice meal kasi nagluluto ka and then you're having your conversation and hindi ka nagmamadali, kumbaga, kasi nagluluto ka pa. And then it's just a nice get-together. So, it's the meal is actually from Belgium. So, anyways, iyan lang po mga kasens. Hanggang sa muli. Bye!